Hello everyone, welcome back to Canada Immigration Global. Alberta invites over 1,000 immigration candidates, healthcare, aviation and tech workers targeted. The Alberta Advantage Immigration Program, or AIP, has conducted 6 new selection rounds, issuing a total of 1,037 invitations to apply for provincial nomination. These latest selections were conducted through multiple immigration pathways, including healthcare, technology, tourism and hospitality, the Alberta Opportunity Stream, and a priority sectors pathway targeting aviation and skilled trades occupations. Let's take a closer look at the latest Alberta immigration update. Alberta holds 6 selection rounds. Between 17th June and 29th June 2026, Alberta conducted 6 selection rounds through different AIP streams and pathways. During these selection rounds, the province issued a total of 1,037 invitations to apply for provincial nomination. As of 30th June 2026, Alberta had conducted 56 selection rounds in 2026, demonstrating the province's continued efforts to address labor market needs through targeted immigration. Latest selection results. Here are the results of the 6 most recent selection rounds. 29th June, Dedicated Healthcare Pathway, Non-Express Entry 75 invitations. 24th June, Alberta Express Entry Stream Priority Sectors Pathway targeting aviation and skilled trades occupations 35 invitations. 22nd June, Dedicated Healthcare Pathway Express Entry 46 invitations. 19th June, Alberta Express Entry Stream Accelerated Tech Pathway 100 invitations. 18th June, Tourism and Hospitality Stream 61 invitations. 17th June, Alberta Opportunity Stream 720 invitations. Together, these 6 selection rounds resulted in 1,037 invitations for provincial nomination. Alberta continues to use targeted immigration pathways. The latest selection rounds invited candidates through several AIP pathways, including Dedicated Healthcare Pathways, Accelerated Tech Pathway, Tourism and Hospitality Stream, Alberta Opportunity Stream, Priority Sectors Pathway targeting aviation and skilled trades occupations. These targeted pathways help Alberta address labor shortages across key industries while supporting the province's economic growth. Alberta Opportunity Stream issued the most invitations. The Alberta Opportunity Stream received the largest number of invitations. A total of 720 candidates were invited through this stream, representing nearly 70% of all invitations issued across the 6 latest selection rounds. This made it the largest selection round in Alberta's most recent immigration update. First aviation-focused selection round of 2026. Another key highlight was 24th June Priority Sectors Pathway. This was Alberta's first selection round in 2026 targeting aviation occupations alongside skilled trades occupations. The selection reflects Alberta's continued efforts to recruit skilled workers for industries experiencing labor shortages. What this means for applicants: if you have experience in healthcare, technology, tourism and hospitality, aviation, or eligible skilled trades occupations, Alberta continues to offer opportunities through its targeted provincial immigration pathways. Keeping your express entry profile updated, meeting the eligibility requirements, and monitoring future AIP selection rounds may improve your chances of receiving a provincial nomination and applying for Canadian permanent residence. Final update: Alberta continues to use targeted immigration pathways to attract skilled workers who can support the province's economy and labor market. In its latest 6 selection rounds, the province issued 1,037 invitations, with pathways focused on healthcare, technology, tourism and hospitality, the Alberta Opportunity Stream, and aviation and skilled trades occupations. For skilled workers considering immigration to Canada, Alberta remains one of the country's most active provinces for provincial nomination opportunities. If you found this update useful, like the video, subscribe to Canada Immigration Global, and share this video with friends and family planning to move to Canada. Thanks for watching.